Yo, what's good, guys? I just had to re-attempt this video because it wasn't recording, but this is a guide or a tutorial on how to wheelie. My voice is kind of weird today because of the pollen. Yeah. So basically, the first step is just obviously to be able to wheelie. And this tutorial is like only for people who have backpacks like these. And here, okay. So first step you guys want to be able to do is wheelie, of course. And then after that, you guys want to be able to, I forgot what it's called. It's like glide. Oh, coast. So coasting is whenever you wheelie, you barely use any brakes, and you don't use throttle whatsoever. So, like what that'll like look like is like that kind of. You can use brakes obviously, but don't get used to the brake part because you're not gonna be able to brake whenever you're doing one hand. Okay, so like the step to do like the no hand is like really coast. Oh, oopsie, I did it the wrong way. So wheelie, coast, and get comfortable. To coast, you want to kind of put your balance point like maybe 1 or 2 inches, a little more behind than your normal one. So once you do that, you guys just want to kind of hover over your brake area, or like, so kind of like that. Once you guys do that, and like once you guys are like more advanced and you guys can get used to that, and you guys can do it for like 3-4 seconds, you guys will be able to do like that right there, like your hand is like right there. Mind you, I've only been doing this for about like 30 minutes, so obviously I'm not like the best coach for this, but this is probably the easiest guide on how to do it, just because it really is very simple. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.